little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing a super cute house scenery. Are you ready to start? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's begin. First, let's draw the roof of our house. Draw a rectangle that's a little narrow at the top. Now, draw another rectangle underneath the roof for the house. Nice and neat! Let's add another smaller rectangle behind the first one. This will be the smaller house. Time to add a chimney. Draw a rectangle on top of the first house's roof. Great work! Let's draw the door. Make it a nice rounded shape in the center of the bigger house. Now, add 2 square windows, one on each side of the door. Then, draw another window on the small house. Perfect! Let's decorate the roof and chimney. Add curved lines on the roof for tiles and some little bricks on the chimney. Let's draw the base of the house. Add a straight line at the bottom. Now, draw some small grasses around the base. Lovely! Next, let's draw a big tree on one side of the house. Start with the trunk and add fluffy cloud-like shapes for the leaves. Draw some bushes behind the tree for extra detail. Beautiful! To finish our scenery, draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Add as many as you like. Let's make a wavy road coming out from the door. Decorate it with small circles and dots to make it look fun. Wow, kids, our drawing is complete. Let's grab our black marker again and make all the outlines bold and sharp. This makes the artwork pop. Doesn't it look awesome? Yay! Now it's time for the fun part, coloring. Let's use our rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Fantastic job, my little artists! Your house scenery looks amazing and so colorful. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. If you had fun, like this video and subscribe for more creative art. See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.